Hi there, I was asked how to put people in little bubble circles, such as this, and I'm going to show you a technique. So I'm going to place an embedded image to bring it in as a new image in this document. Just drag it out to whatever size you require. Let's just hide my webcam thing up here, which we don't need, and I'm going to OK that. Next I'm going to use the circular marquee tool. It's hidden away under the rectangular marquee tool. You can get to it by right clicking and selecting it, and then I'm going to hold down Shift and draw out a circle, drag out a circle. If I hold down Alt and Shift, I can drag out a circle from a center point. Alt, Shift and then center, which is a nice way of getting the circle exactly where you want it to be, but I can move it around using the arrow keys to get it just where I want it to be. So we've got him a marquee around him, and then I'm going to press add layer mask, which just gets him completely in a circle. If you click on the background here with it selected, or hit effect down here, we can add a layer style. If you double click on the grey background, you get the full layer style menu. I'm going to put a shadow on there, an inner shadow. So within a shadow you click the tick box, and then you get you can adjust the opacity of the inner shadow and the size of it, and you can dial it in so it looks like it's a little bit punched out of a hole. You can also mess with the angle of it, so you can adjust kind of where the sun's coming through, and we've got the size. See, we can drag that out as we make it darker. We can blend it so it looks a little bit like it's punched out. Obviously I've just got a grey background here. Let's place embedded, let's stick him in the background. I'm just going to drag that out big. This is going to be a really blurry image, doesn't matter, it's just for a demo. Drag him down to the bottom layer. So that could be like, I think it's for a wedding you're interested in doing it. But what's nice about doing this with the layer masks button is we're able to move these around. I've not got auto select on. We can position these any way you like, so you can move them around after, and have a play with the general appearance. I don't like it with that background on, because it's a really rubbish picture. I'm curious to know what happens when we try and rotate it. Oh, there we go, we can rotate them too. So you've got complete scalability for these little bubbles. Bro, have a go at that. Let me know how you get on.